Hi, so I'll be the cook for today and I will cook some salmon with salad and roasted potatoes. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need salmon, potatoes, salad, tomatoes, spices, salt and pepper. First, we're gonna season the fish, but I'll divide it first. Magic. I'll season it with salt and pepper, but it's totally optional if you don't want some flavor in your fish. Some people will stop here and eat it raw, but since we're gonna make this appropriate, we're gonna cook it. Next we're gonna do is potato. So first I'm gonna peel the potato first. So as a guide knows, chopping things can be really hard and take very long time. So here's a trick that I learned from school 2 years ago about how to cut things easier and faster. So I'll do it now. So see, that was pretty easy. It only takes like 2 seconds or something. So we got these potatoes in a bowl and we're gonna season them with some salt, some pepper, and some chili. Actually, need more salt. You know what? A bit more salt. Yeah, more salt. Why not? And we mix them together. More chili. You can never get enough chili. Now we're gonna roast them. So now I'm gonna making the salad, which will include some leaves, which is lettuce, and some cherry tomatoes. And you probably noticed already that I have magic powers of cutting the potatoes, so I'm gonna use that power to include on the cherry tomatoes. Wait, what? Oh man. So somehow my power doesn't work, so I guess I need to do this the hard way. So I chopped up some tomatoes and it's ready for the salad. Ew. So I cooked the salmon on the pan on medium heat and I put a little oil on it, but that oil is from the Middle East, so it's very healthy. And I stir it a little until it gets cooked. and beautiful like this. Wait, who the hell are you? Where you come from? So now the food is done, so I'm gonna plate it. Put this on. Put this on. So I'm gonna put these potatoes in. And a bunch of salad. We only have this much because the rest of it has been eaten by me because I want to stay healthy. And I'll put a little bit of the dressing. Struggling to open the bottle. And that's it. Man, that was good. The food tastes so good. I ate almost everything except this one potato. Never mind, I ate it. Fuck.